Hi, let me guess you clicked on this video because you need more Christmas wishlist ideas because you've watched maybe 100 of these videos and they're all the same. Well, I can't guarantee you that this one's gonna be any different, but I asked you guys on my spam account to let me know what your guys' Christmas wishlist looks like, and today I compiled them all and I'm gonna tell you guys in a very short amount of time because I know your attention span is probably like 10 seconds long, so don't worry, I'm not gonna bore you. Hi, my name is Mai if you're new to this channel. I'm 18 and I'm doing vlogmas this year, so that means I'm posting every single day, and I'm giving away a Sephora beauty set and a couple other prizes every single day on my channel. And if that's not enough, I'm giving away 3 iPhone 13s this holiday season. I literally love y'all so much. If you don't know, I read every single one of my comments and I still do to this day, and I'm not lying. But you know, I thought I would like turn it up a notch and give away something every single day. A portable like projector. It doesn't even have to be portable, just like a projector. I have one and I watch movies on it all the time. You can also have like a window on like your blank wall and like make it look like you're in a rainforest or make it look like you're at the beach. It's really nice to have a projector. Next up is an espresso machine. I feel like you always see people have them on TikTok and stuff like that. You can make coffee with it. You can make like your hot chocolate with it, your lattes. I think it would be really cute to have one, and it's honestly pretty inexpensive. Workout clothes. I feel like everyone's gonna be doing their New Year's resolutions, and having workout clothes is always the most motivating part to work out. Like whenever I put on a cute workout set, I'm like, look good, feel good, and then all of a sudden I want to go to the gym. But if I look like bum, I don't want to go to the gym. You know what I mean? Sorry if I'm talking really fast, but I just know you attention span is this small. You can get new shoes. My personal favorite shoes are Mason Margiela's Jordan 4s, and I guess Jordan 1s are really poppin', and you could also get like those really popular green New Balances. Those, I know they're sold out everywhere basically, but those, trendy. You could also ask for those. Mental stability. An air fryer. If you're in college or something and you know you want to cook up something real fast, you can make salmon, everything in an air fryer. I used to use one of those all the time. One of those like Dyson hair wraps, but that's expensive as fuck. Just get, I use the one by I&H, which is insert name here, but you can also get the one by Revlon. I used it on my hair today. Those work really well. I don't use like a hair blower that often anymore. I use one of those things. Lip gloss. My favorite lip glosses are the Dior one and the Morphe 2 lip oil. I'm using the Morphe 2 one right now, and it is honestly my favorite. You could also ask for lip liners or like a kit. I'm using Iconic Nude and Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury right now. That's my lip combo, if you guys are wondering. Really good. They also have those sets at Sephora. You could just ask for Sephora sets in general. My favorite ones, oh, by the way, I'm giving away a set every single day from Sephora for Vlogmas. I literally bought every single set at Sephora. My favorite ones that I bought were the Dolce Janeiro or whatever, that really good one. It smells super good. Or you could ask for a perfume set from Sephora. Basically, it'll give you like 10 of them to try out. And then after you try them all out, you figure out which one's your favorite. You can go back in and redeem it for a full size. Those, super good idea. You could also just ask for an Amazon Prime gift card. Why? Because Amazon literally has everything that you could possibly need. Speaking of Amazon, you could get, oh, this is, I'm kidding, it's not sponsored, I wish. You could get an eyebrow lamination kit or an eyelash lamination kit. Instead of having to pay so much money to get your eyebrows or your eyelashes laminated all the time and get them to stay up, you can do it yourself. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my glow up videos because I do it myself. They're really expensive. You could also get an acrylic nail set or like a gel nail set so you can do your nails at home. Mine are crusty dusty right now, but save you a lot of money. Also, you could ask for a microwave wax kit. I think they're like maybe 30 bucks, and you can wax your eyebrows yourself, wax your upper lip yourself, wax your armpits yourself. I have one of those and they are the best. You could also ask for self-tan. My favorite self-tan is the Bondi Sands self-tan and a little glove. You could also ask for like gloves where like it rolls off the dead skin off your body. They're like Korean or like Turkish towels, and I rave about these all the time. You literally are the smoothest ever after. You could also ask for a blackhead extractor. It literally looks like a little like machine, and you just like put it on your face and it like strips all the sebum out of your face. Super good. Wow, I'm really just giving y'all glow up tips. You could ask for a vlog camera. I use the Canon M50 with an 11 to 22 millimeter lens, if you were wondering. You can have a little mic on top. I use the little Jbl Video Mic Pro or whatever. A little tripod, you know what's up. Or you could ask for a Canon G7X Mark II. Those are really popular as well. You could ask for a Casetify gift card. I say Casetify because I feel like Casetify has all the trendiest ones. But if you are into changing up your phone cases all the time, ask for a little Casetify gift card. Mine's from Amazon personally, but Casetify has really good ones. You could ask for a BetterHelp gift card. Some of y'all need therapy. Everyone needs therapy. This video is I'm kidding, it's also not sponsored. You could ask for a puffer jacket. Popular, or get a puffer vest. I like wearing puffer vests a little bit better because I like wearing hoodies. Speaking of hoodies, ask for some hoodies. Ask for some staple, really good hoodies. My favorite currently is the one from Kanye. It says, "Ye must be born again." Oh, those are my favorite. They're a little bit pricey though, but it is my favorite hoodie right now. You could ask for a bunch of lashes. How many lashes do you use a year? Ask for some lashes, you know what I mean? Whenever I go to buy lashes, I buy like 10 packs all at once because I'm too lazy to go out and like buy one every week, you know what I mean? And also, if you get the really expensive ones, which personally I don't, I get the Ardell, but they can get pricey. Ask for some headphones. There are these ones that I have, which are like super cute, like trendy, like, oh, wired headphones. Or you could ask for some like over the ear Beats, which I use for the gym. Or you could ask for some AirPod Pros. But not gonna lie, if you're like a little runner, you're a track star, you might want to use like the Beats that like kind of turn into your ear. Those are all amazing. You could ask for a JBL speaker. I have 3 JBL speakers. I know, kind of excessive, but they're my favorite. I have the JBL Flip 5, I have the JBL something 4, I have the huge JBL. Personally, my favorite one is the small little Flip 5. I feel like it's tiny, you can bring it everywhere. It works really well. You could ask for some blazers. Nike blazers are super popular. It's a good shoe if you want to go to the gym. They're also a really good shoe. Also, you could get some Uggs. Uggs are coming back in, or there's like those Telfizi Uggs as well. Those are cute too. You could ask for some Olaplex. I use Olaplex in my hair all the time, and actually I'm giving away one of these sets. I already bought it. It's in my drawer right now. Sephora has these Olaplex sets that will be really good. It has the oils and stuff. I use it in my hair like every single time I wash it. I'm giving one away. By the way, all you have to do is be subscribed, follow my Instagram, and comment something down below. And anyways, I'm gonna shut up. But yeah, Olaplex, some type of shampoo, hair care. You know, it's like good for your hair. You could ask for the Laneige lip mask. Sephora has like a little set for those as well. Ooh, you could ask for a little Apple Watch. I use mine all the time. If you're really into fitness, an Apple Watch would be goated. Ooh, a disposable camera. But if you're trying to level it up a little bit, get an actual film camera off of like eBay or something. I have the Olympus MJU Mark II. It is my favorite, and I got mine off of eBay. It's a little bit pricey though, but you could also ask for rolls of film. Personally, my favorite is the XR like 100 or whatever. If I had to ask for something for Christmas, it'd be that. You could get the all white Converse. Converse came out with like all white ones, I think, or you can customize them. Naked Wolf boots. Oh my god, you know those tall ass boots, like knee-high boots? Those are super cute. Get the Alpha Elite Amplify shorts. These are some of my favorite workout shorts. I wish I had more. I only have one pair, but these shorts are the most goated shorts ever. You could ask for an iPad. I know that that's like super basic, but like an iPad, you know, you could like draw, do your schoolwork, and while you're at it, ask for a little Apple Pen. You know what's up. Do you need socks? Ask for socks. Ooh, you could ask for some skincare products, but honestly, I would just ask for like a Sephora gift card. But if you're wondering what my favorite skincare products are, it's the Paula's Choice BHA like exfoliate. That one, oh my god, acne scars gone. The Dr. Jart cream, my favorite cream. I've rebought it 2 times now. So good. The Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup like remover, I'm giving that away as well, by the way. I've already given away I think like 5 this week. Like I'm giving away a frick ton of stuff. Like I'm actually not joking you when I say this stuff. Like I'm giving away so much stuff. But this is my favorite makeup remover, is the Pharmacy Green Clean one. Ooh, you could get like a little matcha kit from David's Tea, or just like matcha. Matcha can get expensive, but it's so good. Ask for some matcha. I know David's Tea has like this matcha like advent calendar. Matcha. Or like a little matcha set, you know what I mean? A gua sha for your face. Make sure you get that sculpted face. A Tinder premium account. A Nintendo Switch. You know, you can play games with some people. Freck XL. Oh my god, it's what I use for my freckles. I don't have them on right now, but Freck XL, the best like freckle thing ever. Vibrating, ew, that sounded so bad. A toothbrush that's like, you know what I mean? I have the Philips Sonicare, but also Oral-B sells them too. I don't know, I feel like it's like a good investment for like yourself, you know? A Foreo face cleanser thing, like where you can wash your face. I have one of those too, it really works. A Polaroid camera. You know, read some little memories. A brow gel, like a really good brow gel. Sometimes they can be expensive. My favorite is the NYX brow gel, but I know Refi has them too, or like the Patrick Ta stuff. A puffer phone case, you know what I mean? Like these from Urban Sophistication. If you're not really feeling the Casetify, you can get one from Urban Sophistication, or you can get one from, what's it called? Forgot the name. My bad. Ooh, if you're like into traveling, you can get like a good suitcase set. Because when you're traveling, if you don't have a good suitcase, that shit can be the biggest pain in the ass ever. Ooh, and if you're working out and you don't want to go to the gym, you can get like little weighted bands to make it dance. Bands to put on your ankles. You can get one of these like blenders. It's like the Beast blender. It looks like really aesthetic and cute, and it's just really small. Like I want one. Oh my god, you can get like a UV light if you have seasonal depression. Like this one's legit. Like actually ask for this one if you have seasonal depression. You just like sit in front of it for like 15 minutes a day, and like I think it helps with your seasonal depression. I don't know. Ooh, a teeth whitening kit. If you want to whiten your teeth, ask for a little teeth whitening kit. The Crest ones are so expensive, but they work so well. Oh, if you're into reading books, you know, like a little Kindle to bring around. Or just ask for like a gift card to Barnes & Nobles or something. Ask for like a gas gift card. Harry Styles merch, BTS tickets, journals, Moleskine journals, or like a new pen set, you know what I mean? Or you could ask for like a drawing kit or like an art kit, a guitar if y'all want to like learn a new hobby or something, a skateboard. Y'all, a skateboard. A Marc Jacobs tote bag. Those are really cute too. A record player, you know, if you're like quirky or whatever. Oh, one of those like sunset lamps that like you see on Amazon, or like everyone have one of those sunset lamps. Those are really trendy, and it like makes a place look like so much more welcoming and warm. Or like one of those starlights, you know what I mean? Or a huge fat lava lamp. I have a huge fat lava lamp and everyone always asks me where it's from. Huge fat lava lamp. Or you can get one of those like jellyfish things. I have one of those. Everyone always asks me where I get those. I got it off Amazon. It's like a jellyfish thing, but it's not really jellyfish. Jewelry. You could ask for my jewelry line, which I'm wearing right now. Anyways, that's it for today's video. video. I hope I gave you guys enough ideas. By the way, like I said, I'm giving away a Sephora set in every single video, every single day, starting December 1st. In this video, I'm gonna be giving away the Glow Recipe Kit. I'll pick the winners in tomorrow's vlog and put it on my Instagram story as well. And I'm giving away 3 iPhone 13s. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel that you're watching right now. Follow my Instagram at maiphammy. Just comment something down below. Also, an extra giveaway entry for the iPhone 13s. Just text this phone number right here. It's my phone number. I love you so much. Like, I seriously cry about you guys every single day because I actually can't believe that this is my life. Anyways, love you. But like, if you don't want to, that's totally fine too. I'm literally just giving back to you guys because like you guys got me to the place that where I am today, and I don't know how to express my love to you guys other than just buying y'all gifts, because I just know that Christmas is depressing for me, and I never really got like that many gifts, and Christmas wasn't really a thing for me, and I know some of you guys might relate, so I thought that I could make a welcoming channel where everyone can feel like family this Christmas on my channel, because I know that I never really got that growing up. Anyways, so I thought I would create a community on here and give back to you guys because I actually love you with all my heart, and I actually wouldn't be here without you. So I just want to say I love you, and I read every single one of my comments, so please comment something down below. Like, I actually will read your comment and I will like it, like I'm not lying. And yeah, subscribe to be part of the family. And also, if you want an extra entry, oh yeah, text this phone number right here, the iPhone 13. It's my phone number. It's not like a scam or anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. I can't wait to give back to you guys, and I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. You have no idea how much I love you. Bye. Have been meaning to clean your room or anything like that, and you've been too lazy, this is it. And I always like have a moment where I'm really depressed. Whoa, why am I out of breath? Definitely need to hit the gym. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Oh my god, wow. See, like, look how clean and pretty this looks.